Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by installing the browser app you want to use, like Chrome or Firefox. Confirm your phone runs Android 6 or later, or iOS 14 or later. You must update the app and system for smooth switching. Make sure the browser app appears in your app list before continuing. Changing the default browser takes about 1 minute in the settings. Have your phone unlocked and connected to the internet while you follow the steps that follow. Open Settings and tap Apps to view installed applications on Android. Next, tap Default Apps to reveal system-level defaults and defaults for web links. Then tap Browser App to view the list of available browsers. Choose your preferred browser from the list to set it as the default handler. After selection, open the chosen browser and restart it to ensure default association. Test by tapping a web link to confirm the new browser opens automatically. On iPhone, open Settings and scroll down to find the browser app. Tap the browser app entry to open its app-specific settings. Look for Default Browser App and tap to view choices. Select the new browser to make it the system default for opening links. After selection, return to the home screen and open any web link to test behavior. If links still open in the old browser, restart the phone and test the links again to confirm the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.